Hello, hello. I'm so excited today because look what I've got. It's the Mi Band 4. It's the latest from the series of Mi Band fitness watches. Right. Okay. Now, so the Xiaomi Band has become one of the most popular wearable products dito sa market at a very competitive price. You know how much I got this? So I got this from Lazada for just 1,599. But actually the real price is 1,699 pesos. I got this for a discount of 100 because I downloaded the Lazada app. So, ayun, meron discount na 100 pesos. Well, that's so okay. And then, uh, ano bang mga kasama niya? Okay, so we have this. This is the Mi Band. Okay. And then, in the box, we have of course, the charger. And then, we have this manual, but the manual is written in Chinese. And of course, ayan, meron the gadget hunter, yung seller, that's the seller, uh, includes one Mi Band strap. Oh, right. Now, at first, I really don't know how to use this Mi Band, but then after charging it, and I connected it to my phone. Ayan, my phone is Redmi Note 7. Okay, so I'm a certified Mi user. Okay, so I've connected the Mi Band on my phone, and la la la. You know what happened? Before, it was I cannot read because it's the texts are written in Chinese. But when after connecting it with the Mi Fit app on my phone, naging English na siya. So really amazing. Okay, and what else? Okay, first, let us have yung specs muna. Okay, so yung mga specs niya, so this is 0.95 inch 240 by 120 pixels RGB, and this is AMOLED. Okay, AMOLED display na siya, and the highest brightness is 400 nits, and also it has 2.5D strengthened glass, and this is of course, this is Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth is 5.0. Okay, and also this Mi Band 4 is water resistant na siya. So you can dive until 5 or 50 meters deep on water. And then of course, yeah, ito, we can switch the strap. So meron tayo dito, it's blue and black. And by the way, Mi Band comes in different color. So ito, I've chosen black. Okay, and then it has 512 KB memory, and then 16 MB flash storage, and then the battery Okay, the battery has is 135 mAh, and then the charging time is 2 hours. And then yeah, you can the app here is Mi Fit app. And then the system support, what's the system support? It could be Android 4.4 or iOS 9. And then it, of course, this is PPG heart rate sensor, so censored. So and also it has 6 axis sensor for fitness tracking. Okay, so I think I've got the Xiaomi band for really, you know, good. I think this fitness app is worth your money. And of course you can use this uh, for music, navigating music on your also notif notifications like so WhatsApp and like WeChat. Okay. Okay. And then yeah. And the battery, the life, yeah, battery will last for 20 days. It's really good. Okay. And once you take this off from your wrist, okay, the band will automatically lock. So I'm really excited because I'm on my weight loss journey. So I hope M or the Mi Band 4 can help me. Of course, with discipline. Okay. Saka pa lang ako papayat. But then, I'm so excited really to use this. Okay. OMG. Come on. Let's buy and use Xiaomi products. Phone and Mi Band. Thank you for watching.